Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Philip Russell, aka The Real Slim Shaggy, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing the brand new AirPods Pro 2 with USB-C. Let's get started. Alright, so I just picked up the brand new AirPods 2 second generation with USB-C. I actually picked up the regular Pro 2s from Best Buy because they didn't have the USB-C one yet. So make sure before you go ripping open the tabs that it actually says charging case USB-C, or else you'll be getting the old ones. And at first I thought, so what's the difference? It's just USB-C, right? Wrong. It's actually, they have a whole new chip inside the earbuds and a lot more audio quality. So I got all the information from MKBHD. Go watch his unboxings and his reviews because they're so much more in depth. So I thought we'd do a little history real quick. Now this isn't the 3.5mm headphone jack ones, so they're not quite the first gens, but we have the wired AirPods right here. Down. And then we have the first gen AirPods. I still have one in there, I think. The other one broke. And then we have the AirPod Pros, the wireless charging case. And then we also have the brand new ones, which we're going to unbox, and you can see that here. We still have the tabs on it. So that is the family, the generational tree right there. So we're gonna set these guys aside. Let's get those mixed up. All right, so without further ado, we're going to unbox this. I'm going to do the honors. I love this part. All right, I'm gonna open these up. So it's just your standard, you know, how to connect. We actually got extra small, medium, and large, and so you can see that. Then we got the regular stuff that I don't think anybody reads. Does anybody read any of all this? I think it's just in different, you know, languages and stuff. So that is all that's that. All right, here we go. Here it is. So this is a big upgrade for me because I had the originals with the wireless charging case. And now I haven't heard anybody talking about this, but I dropped my right earbud, and every so often, like if you have like a loud pop or if you try to adjust it in your ear, it'll go and then it'll slightly go away and then it'll stop. And now it's getting worse where sometimes it won't even stop. You have to take it out of your ear, put it back in, let it do its little algorithm thing, but it's going. Let me know down in the comments if you ever had any problems with that. Here we go. So we have the little loop where you can add a string or whatever. We have the microphone now, so we can find it. That's cool. And of course the USB-C. Now let's open these. Oh, you hear the little audible? So there's more vents. And I think they come pre-installed with the mediums, which I'm gonna have to do the smalls. Yeah, so let's put those there. Let's see else what we got. Oh, here's the tips. So yes, it looks like the mediums are in that. I like that they added an extra small because Apple like listens. Oh, and we get the braided case, the USB-C to USB-C, which now we can plug one end into the AirPods and then the other one's into the new iPhone, which I'm gonna order, but I'm trying to pay off my 13 Pro Max, so that will be in November. So I won't be getting it until then. I'll still do an unboxing video, even though it'll be really, really late, but I just like doing these. So we get the braided cable now. So that is awesome. And then we have the box. All right, you guys, so that was my unboxing of the brand new AirPod Pro 2s with USB-C. If you like this video, smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any one of my videos. I do a wide variety of videos on my channel, from unboxing videos to cinematic vlogs and going behind the scenes of Hollywood movies that I have been privileged to work on. So remember, spread love, not hate, and when life gets blurry, adjust your focus. And until next time, peace. Scene 1, take 1, A mark, B mark. All right, so, wait, before I do that, I'm gonna cut the BTS camera. Goes, I do a wide variety on my channel, and so, remember, spread love.